Welcome to our journey into the fascinating world beneath our feet. This presentation aims to explore the wonders of soil science. Title and subtitle: Exploring the World Beneath Our Feet encapsulates the essence of our adventure, while a journey into soil science for grade 6 students sets the stage for an exciting exploration of the importance and intricacies of soil. Introduction. Importance of soil. Soil is a vital component supporting life on Earth. It provides a home for plants, the base of the food chain, and contributes to the overall health of ecosystems. Understanding its significance is crucial for appreciating the delicate balance of our planet's biosphere. Presentation overview. In this presentation, we will delve into the definition of soil, exploring its diverse components, such as minerals, organic matter, water, and air. Get ready to uncover the mysteries lying beneath the ground. What is soil? Definition of soil. Soil is a complex mixture of minerals, organic matter, water, and air that serves as a medium for plant growth. It forms through the weathering of rocks and the decay of organic materials over time, creating a dynamic and essential layer on the Earth's surface. Components. Minerals provide structure, organic matter enriches fertility, water sustains life, and air allows for essential processes. The combination of these components makes soil a dynamic and ever-changing environment that plays a critical role in sustaining life. Key takeaway: recognizing the composition of soil sets the stage for understanding its functions and the impact it has on the ecosystems it supports. Soil profile. Understanding soil profile. A soil profile is a vertical cross-section of the soil, revealing distinct layers or horizons. The A horizon, or topsoil, is rich in organic matter. The B horizon contains minerals leached from above layers. The C horizon consists of weathered parent material, and the R horizon is unweathered rock. Importance of studying profiles. Examining soil profiles helps scientists comprehend the history and development of a specific area. It's a crucial aspect of pedogenesis, the study of soil formation processes over time. Exploring pedogenesis. Pedogenesis involves investigating the factors influencing soil development, including climate, topography, parent material, time, and biological factors. Unraveling these aspects provides valuable insights into the intricate processes shaping our environment. Soil formation. Overview of soil formation. Soil formation, or pedogenesis, is a continuous process influenced by various factors. These include topography, climate, parent material, time, and biological factors, all working together to shape the unique characteristics of soil in different regions. Topography's role. The landscape, including hills, valleys, and slopes, plays a crucial role in determining how water flows and accumulates, influencing soil development. Understanding topography is key to comprehending local soil variations. Climate's influence. Temperature, precipitation, and weather patterns impact soil formation. Different climates contribute to the creation of various soil types, showcasing the intricate relationship between climate and the soil beneath our feet. The role of topography. Influence of landscape. Topography, or the physical features of the land, profoundly affects soil development. For example, hills may experience erosion, leading to unique soil characteristics, while valleys may accumulate sediment-rich soils. Hills, valleys, slopes. Hills influence water runoff and erosion, leading to distinctive soil profiles. Valleys, on the other hand, may accumulate sediment, resulting in fertile soils. The slope of the land further impacts water drainage and nutrient distribution, shaping the topsoil layer. Ecosystem variation. Understanding the impact of topography on soil helps explain the diversity of ecosystems in different geographical regions. It's a key factor in unraveling the complexities of soil development. Climate's impact on soil. Weather patterns and soil. Climate plays a pivotal role in soil formation. Temperature, precipitation, and overall weather patterns influence the rate of weathering, organic matter decomposition, and the distribution of soil particles. Types of soils in different climates. Regions with arid climates may have sandy soils, while areas with high precipitation may develop clay-rich soils. Exploring these variations provides insights into the adaptability of plants and ecosystems to their specific environments. Adaptations and challenges. Plants and organisms in each climate zone adapt to the unique soil conditions, showcasing the intricate balance between climate and soil health. Human activities must consider these relationships for sustainable land use. Parent material. Definition and explanation. Parent material refers to the underlying geological material from which soil horizons develop. It serves as the foundation for soil formation, influencing the mineral composition and nutrient content of the soil. Examples of parent material: rocks, sediments, and other geological materials contribute to the creation of soil. The type of parent material determines the initial characteristics of the soil, setting the stage for further development over time. Importance of parent material. Recognizing the influence of parent material is crucial for understanding the variations in soil composition across different landscapes and regions. The factor of time. Soil development over time. The factor of time is fundamental to soil formation. As soil ages, it undergoes changes in structure, composition, and fertility. This continuous evolution results in distinct soil profiles and landscapes. Concept of soil maturity. Soil maturity refers to the stage of development reached over time. Understanding this concept helps scientists predict soil behavior, nutrient availability, and the potential for supporting plant life in various ecosystems. Interconnected processes. Time interplays with other factors like climate, topography, and parent material, contributing to the intricate dance of soil development. Studying the factor of time unveils the dynamic nature of the Earth's crust. Biological factors in soil formation. Role of living organisms. Living organisms, from microorganisms to plants and animals, significantly influence soil formation. They contribute to processes such as organic matter decomposition, nutrient cycling, and the creation of channels for water movement. Examples contributing to soil fertility: earthworms enhance soil aeration, bacteria and fungi decompose organic matter, and plant roots contribute organic material through root exudates. These biological activities collectively enrich the soil with nutrients. Ecosystem dynamics. The presence and activities of living organisms create a dynamic ecosystem within the soil. Understanding these biological factors is crucial for sustainable agriculture and land management practices. Enriching soil. Introduction to enriching soil. Enriching soil involves enhancing its fertility and structure to support optimal plant growth. Various methods, including natural processes and human interventions, contribute to soil enrichment. Overview of soils in specific regions. Examining soils in unique regions, such as islands or the Maldives, provides insights into the challenges and opportunities for soil enrichment. Local conditions influence the selection of appropriate soil management practices. Sustainable practices. Enriching soil requires adopting sustainable practices that promote long-term soil health. Balancing nutrient inputs. Organic matter incorporation and erosion prevention are essential components of successful soil enrichment. Composting. Definition of composting. Composting is a natural process that transforms organic waste into nutrient-rich humus, a valuable soil amendment. It involves the decomposition of kitchen and garden waste by microorganisms under controlled conditions. Importance in enhancing soil fertility. Compost adds organic matter to the soil, improving its structure, water retention, and nutrient content. It promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms and contributes to overall soil health. Basic steps of composting: collecting organic waste, creating a compost pile, turning the compost to aerate it, and allowing it to decompose over time are basic steps in composting. This simple practice offers significant benefits for both gardens and larger agricultural settings. Conclusion. Summary of key points. Our journey into soil science has uncovered the diverse facets of soil, from its composition and formation to the intricate interplay of factors shaping it over time. Recognizing the significance of soil is paramount for sustainable land use and environmental conservation. Emphasis on conservation. The importance of soil conservation and sustainable practices cannot be overstated. As stewards of the earth, we must prioritize practices that preserve soil health, supporting ecosystems and securing the foundation of life. Call to action, whether through responsible land management, conservation efforts, or embracing eco-friendly practices, each of us has a role to play in preserving the health and vitality of our precious soils.